Yo, ladies and gentlemen, this is your King of Hell, Skybomb. I think the next part might have an intro, but yeah. If we don't want to take advice from me, this do have, I think, about 10 years building PC, and he got close to 2 million subs, and this will I loan my PC from watching his video. Okay, you want to click this. Oh, well, click this, and he got all this. Then you want to go to one of this, and it will show you the price. And he gonna update this for the new ones. So let's go to this. I picked this cool because I couldn't find a liquid cooler where I would be on the budget, and this not count with the shipping and all that stuff because that would will be overboard. So everything that with shipping and everything would be over 1,000. I could sign in. I could to find out what is the shipping. I could sign in. It'd probably be a couple hundred. So again, if you're watching this, this is not counting the shipping and the tax and all that stuff. This is just a simple cool. I hear people say we're good. I bought one, but I had trouble with it because I don't know if I lost one of the pins, or you know, it came with you get like 4 pins, and I had three, so I could Jimmy rig it. And this, I couldn't find a good one for less than 50. Oh, not less than 50. 2 gigabyte for close to 50. We don't have that much to spare, so that could be like 60 for a gigabyte. Oh, same amount. So I couldn't find a good one. So we went with this, and this what he say to get to. So I also went with that. So with the same one, we're good. I have I have mine. So they have that, and I think the motherboard is the same one I have. So you have 2 slots, so you can get this one, and then you can get maybe the full gigabyte, so that 5 gigabytes. So, and this, say on budget, you have to, because I'm pretty sure you can't, because I think that is 8 gigs is a bare minimum. For yeah, I keep seeing 8 gig for like 200s and all that, and that is the newest. Oh, well, we would be over budget. So yeah, the only thing I can see for 8 gigs of not for anything more than 8 gigs is over budget. And we luck out because we had a deal for the motherboard and the cooler. And all of this is AM5 and DDR5 compatible. So you can there's future proof, at least for the next few years. So you probably can probably can get maybe 10, maybe 20 years out of your PC. Be honest. Before you have to actually get a new one. Alright. And that, again, that is the only one. You can get a 5068 gig GP with the 5060 Ti, but you have to get the two fans and 8 gigs, and you probably still would be about the same. But if you just playing games, I would just get this because these people is more for game more with more for the like low end, and that is more perfect for gamer. The 5090 is, I think, is still the best for like gaming, but you want to get the now right here for like if we're just gonna play the game. But the other one, Infinite, yeah, I think the name. You want ever gonna like make videos like me or stream like me? And I went with 16 gigs because again, the DDR5, and if me, I am using 64 gigs for my RAM. This is something we I could say in budget for because he got uh, well. Also, you can get this. I am not. No, you won't not stay in budget if you did this. Give me a second. Uh, 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 okay. Alright, sorry about that. I probably will cut it out. This still won't be in budget. So if we want to stay in budget, we have to do that 8 gigs. But 16 gigs is the I think right now is the bare minimum what you need. But if we want to go over budget, I would get the 32 gigs because that is coming to be the norm for games. And the case is the coolest, cheapest, come with fans. Not the cheapest, but the I would say we can fit the 50 cards in. Well, I think you can put a good graphic card And a nice big one. Yeah, I'm kind of. I think I can put one of the 50 cards in mine PC case, but they're gonna be barely fit. Yeah, I'm kind of. I think I can put one of the 50 cards in mine PC case, but they're gonna be barely fit. So this, what I think I can get with a six 6,050 power strokes, you'd be fine. But you want to at least have 100 more than what you need. So if it's gold and I think I think the same one I'm using, but I have 1,000, so I don't have to worry about it. And right here, they have a combo with the. I think with both. I think that 200 that might be. I think the CPU is the same one I have. I think it maybe 200 and the motherboard is I think the same one I have. So yeah, I think I spend this much on this both. But that is it. That my PC part picker. This would get you a good PC, probably even more powerful than mine right now because I need a new GPU. I'm using my old one till I have enough money to get. I want to get the 5080, but I might just get the 5070 Ti. But and again, if I'm just playing games, I would just get the probably. I still probably would get Nvidia. Yeah, I like it, but I had to because I have the app download, so it saved me more trouble. But if I just start new, I probably would went with what I put on, but more the 9070 or maybe the 9080 if we have it. I think. Okay, guys. I hope you guys have a good day. We went on the budget and by $3 and not that good. We didn't hit 1,000, but of course shipping and all that stuff, they probably will be over. Just count it maybe 100 to $300 over it if we're gonna do it with shipping. And I hope you guys have a good day. Always be kind.